Hello guys, I am Hitesh Tripathi and I am currently working as a blockchain developer in a project. I have also worked in several front-end projects related to React.js. Okay, so by this video, I'm announcing a new playlist over React.js. Okay, so you must have heard about React or React.js in your college life or in your work life. So in this playlist, we will be starting React ट्यूटोरियल्स फ्रॉम स्क्रैच ओके एंड हम वो सारी चीज़ें देखेंगे जो हम रिएक्ट में बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है टू बिल्ड अ न्यू प्रोजेक्ट ओके एंड वी विल नॉट सी एनी इरेलीवेंट थिंग्स ओके जो हमें डीप में ले जाएंगी रिएक्ट के एंड दोज थिंग्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट यूज इन अवर प्रोजेक्ट्स ओके so we will see everything. We will also build project related to React.js, okay, so that you can get good hands on React, okay. But before going deep into this video, let me just introduce you to Newton School. So basically, as we all know, Newton School is an e-learning platform, okay, which have designed especially different programs for you. Like their first and most amazing program is full stack development course. Okay, so in this course what they do is they will train you for 6 months and will make you a full stack developer. Not only this, after that they will also get you placed in different companies with which they have tie up with. Okay, and the most amazing thing about this program is that they have a pay after placement process. Okay, so they will train you for 6 months and after that they will also get you placed and you don't need to pay even a single penny until and unless you get placed in any of these companies for minimum of 5 lakh CTC. Okay, fine. Now second thing they have for you is launchpad initiative, okay, under which you can just go sign up and log in and just start learning with their free courses which are built by different educators around the world. Okay, so these were two programs about Newton School and you can also check their grant coding contests which get held every month. Okay, and you can also participate in different coding contests held by Newton School and they have different hiring partners via these contests, so you can also get a chance to get hired by Zomato, Byju's, Meesho, Vimeo. Okay, fine. Now before starting video, I have some more important thing. Like if you haven't subscribed this YouTube channel, that is Coding Talkies with Vikas, just go and subscribe this YouTube channel because I'll be uploading all the videos of this playlist in this channel only. Okay, just go and subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Now let's just come over React. So you can see that I have opened reactjs.org. Okay, so this is the official website of React.js where you can see documentation of React.js. Okay, and you can also learn basics of React.js via this tutorial. And since let me tell you that React जो है उसका जो support है that is from a big FAANG company, that is Facebook. Okay, so anytime soon ये tech जो है ख़त्म होने नहीं वाली because even Facebook is supporting and backing React. Okay, तो और बहुत ही ज़्यादा हाई स्किल्ड हाईली डिमांडेबल स्किल है स्किल सेट फॉर फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर्स. Yes, React.js is a open source library which can be used to build interactive UIs only. Okay, it doesn't support backend. So if you are learning React, just get clear that React is going to use as front end, use in front end part only. Fine. So if I say why you want to learn React, तो बेसिकली सबसे पहली चीज़ तो मैंने बता दी, हाईली डिमांडेबल स्किल है. ओके, हाईली इन डिमांड. लाइक इफ़ यू आर वर्किंग इन फ्रंट एंड एज अ फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर इन एनी कंपनी, दे आर गोइंग टू टीच यू और गेट यू लर्न रिएक्ट एट द वेरी फर्स्ट डे. ओके, सेकेंड थिंग, सिंस हाईली डिमांडेबल है एंड when you are building your front end using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, okay, तो उससे जो React है, since React is also a library of JavaScript, open source library, but React जो है काफ़ी ज़्यादा optimized version है. Okay, so what I mean by saying optimized, React is divided into components. Okay, so when we will go deep in React, we will see what are components. Okay, for now I am telling you React is basically divided into components. Okay, you can make class or functional components also. So basically what React does is, React doesn't re-render your complete DOM structure. Okay, like whenever you re-render or refresh something in JavaScript, your complete page is going to reload. But in React, you can prevent it. Okay, prevent it by reloading of complete page by giving some conditions or giving some constraints, and it will render only the needed component. Okay, फॉर नाउ अभी हो सकता है तुम लोगों को ये थोड़ा टेक्निकल लग रहा हो, बट जब हम कंपोनेंट्स पढ़ लेंगे और जब हम रिएक्ट में थोड़ा डीप जाएंगे, वी विल गेट टू नो हाउ वी कैन यूज रिएक्ट एंड हाउ वी कैन ऑप्टिमाइज अवर फ्रंट एंड और यूआई. ओके, फाइन. So this was the thing about React. For this complete playlist, what are we going to use as a code editor? We are going to use VS Code as a code editor. Okay, so if you do not have Visual Studio Code in your system, just go and install it, because हम अपना पूरा प्रोजेक्ट सब इसी में बनाएंगे और हम अपने सारे एग्जांपल्स सब Visual Studio Code में ही देखेंगे. Okay, and in next video I'll be telling you how you can get a setup of React in your system or in your machine. Okay, so basically, unlike our previous front-end text that was HTML, CSS and JavaScript, हम एक exactly क्या करते थे, हम एक फाइल बनाते थे with extension of .html, .css और .js, and we suddenly start coding in it. But this is not in React. Okay, what React does is, whenever you create a new app of React, okay, after you will get a complete environment of React in your machine, you will give a command in your terminal to create a new React app. Okay, and when you will hit that enter button, it will create a complete DOM structure or file structure in your system. Okay, in your project folder. तो बेसिकली होता क्या है, जो भी React का फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर होगा वो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे, कैसे हर फोल्डर के अंदर से कैसे कौन सी चीज़ तुम्हारे UI में रेंडर होके आती है और तुम अपने कंपोनेंट्स कहाँ पे कैसे बना सकते हो और उन कंपोनेंट्स को कैसे अपने फ्रंट एंड में और UI में ब्राउजर में रेंडर कर सकते हो. ओके, वी विल सी एवरीथिंग. नाउ सम मोर थिंग्स अबाउट React is that there is a huge community for React where you can ask your doubts. Okay, like you have a Stack Overflow, you can directly ask your doubts in search your doubts in Google also, you will get complete answer for your doubt. Okay, fine. And in React we get regular updates, so it is since I have already told you that it is supported by Facebook, so we get regular updates. You can also read blogs here related to React. Okay, like this is the community, you can also read blogs here. And one more thing, this complete playlist will be in English and Hindi. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can just ask me in comment section and I will explain you in brief as soon as possible. Okay, and then for React you can have documentation here. Okay, so if you want to start by yourself before the next video, you can just go to reactjs.org. under docs you can just read this, how you can start with React. Okay, so in next video I will get you a complete setup in your machine, how you can get a complete environment setup in your machine, and how you can just start with building a app, Hello World app. Okay, so in next video we will see how we can build a Hello World app, basic simple app, and after that we will obviously go and learn React in deep and what are functional components. There are two types of components basically, class components and functional components. So before जब तक React में hooks नहीं थे, until then we were using class components. Okay, but now since React has hooks, so we can independently use functional components anywhere in our React app. Okay, what I am saying is, I know this may sound some more technical, but what I am saying is that we can use functional components anywhere independently with class components. So we are going to learn functional components as well as class components, but we will not dig deep in class components, and we will learn hooks. By the use of hooks we will use functional components everywhere in our React projects. Okay, so we will also build a app, React app, in the end of this playlist. and it will be a basic tic-tac-toe application in which you can play tic-tac-toe game, and it will be of n cross n. Okay, not a simple 3 cross 3 tic-tac-toe. So this is it for this video. If you have any doubt what are we going to do in this complete playlist, where you are going to, what are the requirements, what are the prerequisites, let me just tell you prerequisites of this playlist also. So you should have a basic knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, in JavaScript, like arrow functions, map, reduce, arrays in JavaScript, let, const, var, complete this. Okay, so if you don't know what is JavaScript, just go Google it and learn some basics of JavaScript. These are the complete prerequisites of this playlist. And so this is it for this video. If you haven't subscribed this YouTube channel, that is Coding Talkies with Vikas, just go and subscribe this, since you will be getting all the updates about this playlist in this YouTube channel only. And if you haven't checked Newton School yet and their pay after placement program, just go and check their pay after placement program. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys for watching.